Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents, it's me, Wanston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what you guys doing out there? What's up Twitter family, Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents. Hey guys, welcome back everyone to another amazing Cook with Wanston, guys. Yes, so today we're going to be making some blackened lamb chops, guys. Yes. So I was able to find, so this is our lamb chops right here, guys. So it wasn't too bad of a price. So we are going to cook these bad boys. So before we get into that, let's go ahead and wash our hands. All right. Okay. So what is you guys' choice of drink? I'm having me some coffee. Oh, that's hot. Okay. So for our sides, I'm going to be making some butter rice. All right. And I have some veggies over here. Okay. So before we do that, let's get our container, our bowl, to run some cold water to wash our lamb. Okay. So we're gonna, all right. As you can see, it already looks very much tender, so we don't want to So our temperature for our fire, we're going to put it on a very much medium heat. So we're washing it with some vinegar. All right. Okay. Make sure we drain all of that out. Okay. Let's go ahead and preheat our skillet. Put it on a medium heat. So we're gonna season it with some adobo seasoning. Okay. Mix it well. All right, and I have some garlic powder here. Put as much as you please with the garlic. Okay. All right, and then I have some black pepper here. Things. There we go. And there we go. And we're going to put a couple drops of our sage. So just a couple drops, because we're also going to use this to make our gravy. Okay. So mix this. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, put this to the side. Let's wash our hands. All right, so we're gonna put about 1.5 cups of cooking oil. You can also use olive oil in our pan. Alright. Alright. So that's good, guys. We don't have to put no more. That's good. Okay. So we're gonna let that heat up. I'm gonna bring, that's where we're putting our thing. And then I will start to put my water in my measuring cups here. So this is about a cup and a half of rice. The purpose that I'm putting water in my rice is to wash it. So whenever you're cooking rice, you also want to make sure that you wash your rice, because to get rid of the extra starch. Okay? So you also want to make sure that you wash it. Some folks don't, if you're in a hurry, but it's better to do it that way. That is the healthier way. Okay, so now I'm putting in my lamb. Okay. So I'm going to do 2 at a time. Okay. Alright. Okay. I'm also going to touch some butter, guys. So the butter will help it soft a little bit. So about 2 strings of butter. Okay? So we're going to turn it on the other side. There we go. If you see small bags, that's on my other stove right here. Water. Alright. So I had to open the other pack of lamb chops I had put on the side. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna do something right here. Right now we are going to make a sauce. Even though that our lamb chops are very much tender, you want to have a sauce to go over your rice. And as you can see, I'm still using the same pan that I did my lamb chops in. So what I'm also going to do is just add a little bit of water to my pan. Alright. Okay. Alright. So there we have it. And then I'm going to, my sage. Okay, guys. So, um, I added some garlic. Now I'm gonna add some black pepper, and we're gonna put some sage. Now the sage gives it color. Okay. Also flavor. Now we're gonna add, to make it a little thick, we're gonna add some cornstarch. You can use cornstarch, or you can use flour. Okay. Alright. Cornstarch or flour. Okay. Alright. So now let's just add a little more butter. And then I have some purple onion in here. We're gonna let it sim into our sauce. Okay, this is also gonna give it flavor as well. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is, guys, so this sauce is gonna go over our rice. Alright. And now we're gonna add a little bit of green pepper. And then we're done. And we're just gonna let this, that's done. Alright, now it's time to plate. Okay. Alright. We're also gonna add a little bit of brown sugar to our sauce. So that's also gonna make it nice and brown. So that was light brown sugar. Okay. So now it's turning brown. Alright, if you can taste it. Okay. Coming out very good. Alright. Now if you're like me, I like the taste of the sage. So I'm gonna add some more. Okay. Alright. Like I boil. You can also put some sage in your tea too, guys. It helps. You know, whenever you have like a cold or something, it's really good. Alright. Now it's time to plate, guys. Okay. Now it's time to plate. So let's get our plate. Okay. Alright. So we're going to do our rice part. Okay. And this is our blackened lamb, guys. There you have it. Okay. There we go. And we're going to get our veggies. Now it's time to get our gravy. sure it's done. Stir it a couple of times. Okay. Yep. So now we're gonna put this over and also over our rice. Alright guys, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to tap that notification bell each time I upload, each time I go live. Alright guys, tune in on Sunday for my special Sunday brunch this month, guys. Alright, remember to pray for those that you see and pray for those that you don't see.